Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add transitions to all of the clips at once in CapCut PC. So in here, I've already opened my projects and here I'm going to add a transition into my edits. So let's say I want to add this white flash transition into all of my clips or all of my edits. So what you need to do is first, you can download the transition first if you haven't. Click on the arrow like this. And if you're done, just click on the plus icon and it will be added to you in between the clips like this. And to apply it to all, click on the transition on the timeline. Here you can adjust the duration if you want. And after that, click on apply to all to make it apply to all of the clips like that. So it will apply to all clips. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.